right here, when you flatten out. Yeah, that doesn't happen for me.
Oh, you're just not going deep. You're just not going far enough.
You'll make it up.
And you got to get after it. Well, the reason that you're here or you're here, if you do this here, I guarantee you those smiley faces will appear all over your hammer. So you're trying to find the relief of your hammer. That back corner of your hammer here, or here, right? So this gets a little tricky sometimes here. Now it's going to come back on you, but you just stay right here on this hip. Don't let it go there and then hit there. Then you'll just put a big swamp in your back. And you can play with these as much as you want.